Welcome to Beginner's Bar, Scott here, and today we're going to make a Tom Collins. Rather easy to make, so let's get into it. It's a refreshing cocktail going to be served in a Collins glass. Now, this is just, your basic regular glass, drunken through a straw. So let's get to making the cocktail. This will be lemon, simple syrup, gin, really easy to go. Let's go lemon, 1 ounce lemon juice, and now I need also 1 ounce of simple syrup. This is a 2-to-1 simple, which again I'm getting a little on. Got to make a new one. Might make that in another episode. Comment down below if you want to see that. Then 2 ounces of gin. I'm going to be using Tanqueray. Grab your ice. Alright, I've already put some bagged ice into this. I'm going to add another 2 cubes of ice. Just for further heft, And actually, before we shake, I'm gonna add 4 cubes my Collins glass. Introduce the cocktail. Pop it. 12 sips. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Ragamuffin. Awesome. Grab this. Call the strainer. And a strainer in. Right on top of the ice. Grab yourself some seltzer. I'm going to pour off the ice to top. And now to garnish this, they say a lemon wedge as well as a cherry. I'm just going to do a simple Luxardo maraschino cherry. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have a Tom Collins. Cheers. Refreshing. The lemon really plays well with the Tanqueray. And in fact, I think just about any gin will work with this. I'm using a London Dry. Some history would say that the Tom Collins should be with Old Tom Gin. Honestly, I would say do it however you wish. I use Tanqueray, you can use Ford's, you can use Beefeater, you can use an Old Tom, you use Yennefer, which is the original gin. Maybe not Slow or Pink gin, just because that might be a little bit too much of a left turn. But a London Dry like this works just fine. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe, comment. What cocktail do you want me to do next? Do you want to see me make simple syrup? Do you want to see me show other cocktail syrups? Or do you want to go back into rum, continue with whiskey, stay with gin? Let me know. You can find me on Twitter at Beginner's Bar. You can find me on Instagram at Beginner's Bar. You can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chopless_ink. Patrons will eventually be able to get behind-the-scenes videos, exclusive tastings. In fact, there could be a tasting and another stream on my personal YouTube page, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. I go live there Thursday and Saturday nights, mainly gaming content, but I could certainly hook up a camera or two to do a tasting of assorted beverages or assorted liquors. All the barware is available in affiliate links down below. And until next time, thank you for watching. I am Scott. This has been the Beginner's Bar. I will see you next time with another cocktail.